John, imagine this. You meet someone new, and suddenly your mind goes blank.
That happens to me all the time, Miss English. I just stand there like a statue.
Don't worry, John. Today I'll teach you 5 powerful and confident ways to introduce yourself, so next time you sound smooth, natural, and confident. Let's start with the most common and polite way, the classic introduction. Say, "Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you."
That's simple,
Okay.
but sometimes it feels too short.
True. You can add a handshake, eye contact, and a smile. That instantly shows confidence.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
That's polite, professional, and always safe to use, whether you're meeting a friend or a new teacher.
Now, when you're talking to people that your age, classmates, or new friends, you can sound a little more relaxed. Try this. "Hey there, I'm John. What's your name?"
Hey there. I'm John. What's your name?
That sounds much easier and fun.
Exactly. You can even add something friendly like, "Hey there, I'm John coming. I just joined this class. How about you?"
It feels natural, not robotic.
Yes. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being comfortable while speaking.
Okay, John, now imagine you're at a job interview or meeting new colleagues. You need to sound professional and confident.
Good morning, I'm John Smith. I work as a marketing assistant.
Good morning. I'm John Smith. I work as a marketing assistant.
Perfect tone. Notice how calm and steady your voice sounds? That's what makes people trust you.
So posture matters too, right?
Exactly. Sit straight, look into their eyes, and speak slowly. That's real professional confidence.
All right, now let's make things more fun. You can add personality to your introduction, Kako. Share a tiny fact about yourself.
Hi, I'm John. I love music and meeting new people.
That sounds exciting. People might ask me more about my hobbies.
Exactly, it's a great way to start conversations. You can also say something funny like, "Hi, I'm John, probably the only person who drinks 5 cups of coffee a day."
That's totally me, Miss English.
See? That's how you connect with people, Pray, by being yourself. And finally, the most powerful one, the story introduction. This makes you memorable and confident. "Hey, I'm John. I just moved here from London and I'm excited to meet new people."
Oh, so this works when I'm new somewhere.
Exactly. When you share a tiny story, people remember you. It shows emotion, honesty, and confidence all together.
I love this one the most. It feels real.
That's because it is real, John. Let's quickly review, John. The classic way, the friendly way, the professional way, the fun way, the story way.
Wow, 5 easy ways to sound confident.
Exactly. Remember, confidence isn't about perfect English. It's about clear communication.
Thanks, Miss English. Next time, I'll introduce myself like a pro.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And keep learning English with confidence.